Hi, savvy people. Thank you so much for joining me. I just wanted to do a quick live to just share with you that I need your help. So, I need your feedback to assist me in launching a new program called the Savvy Women Method. Now, I'm looking for women who are interested in investing in property, who wants to have more clarity about the property strategies that would actually suit them. So this is where I need your help. Now, the reason why I created this program in the first instance is primarily because I've had a lot of people come to me and said, hey, I want to get into property, but I don't know what property strategy would suit me. Now, not every property strategy suits everyone. So I want to be clear about that. So, for instance, I had a client that wanted to get into HMO, but she didn't like working with too many tenants, with the influx of having tenants in and out. So we done buy to let on the single lets. So that's the vanilla property strategy where you get one property, you rent it out to a family, or you rent it out to a group of people, and you're just collecting your rent each month. So that's why I created this program to really give people clarity on what property strategies will suit them. The program will help women to create a profitable business and understand the different strategies, what property stage you may be at, and how we can move you forward, giving you easy step-by-step lessons to follow, and arranging expert speakers to come on and then really give you an insight. So those expert speakers could be accountants, solicitors, finance brokers that would really push you forward in your property journey. Now, I created this program because I wanted to really, as I said, show people how to be financially savvy and build a legacy for their loved ones as well. So if you're interested in helping me, please comment below this video and say, yes, I'm interested. I just want your feedback. There's no commitment. I want your feedback so that it will help me really form this program so that I can really deliver a program that is suited to you ladies. So please leave a comment below if you want to help me, and I will send you a link to book. Now, I like to make sure that everyone feels that they're getting something for their time. So I'm going to, as a thank you, I'm going to share with you the Property Investors Foundation Blueprint for free. And this will help you on your property journey as well. So if you've ever been interested in property and would like me to help shape and form the Savvy Women Method program, please comment below and I will be reaching out to you to get your feedback. And I really do appreciate your time and your time for watching this short live with me. My name is Sapphire Gray. Have a lovely day. Speak to you all soon.